Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an egg sandwich. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh eggs, your favorite bread, a slice of cheese, and some butter. Next, ensure your cooking surface and utensils are ready for a smooth process. Finally, consider how you like your eggs cooked: scrambled, fried, or perhaps an omelet, to customize your perfect breakfast. Now, let's get cooking. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with a small pat of butter. Crack 2 eggs directly into the pan, adding a pinch of salt and pepper for flavor. Cook them to your liking. Whether you prefer a runny yolk or a firm scramble, keep an eye on them. This step is key to a delicious sandwich. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. And on another note, imagine listening to your favorite cooking playlist while making this sandwich. The Echo Dot smart speaker can bring your space to life with amazing sound. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your eggs ready, it's time to assemble. Start by toasting your bread slices to a beautiful golden brown for that satisfying crunch. While the toast is still warm, place a slice of cheese on one piece, allowing it to melt slightly. Then, carefully transfer your perfectly cooked eggs onto the cheese. Add the second slice of toast, and your delicious egg sandwich is complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.